divide my data versus other companies' data, and they provide the services to us. Okay. So for this, you can, if you go to Amazon Web Services or Azure, Microsoft Azure or Google Cloud, they are offering free services to most of the university students. And Microsoft Azure, especially, they have one twice or thrice in a year they offer a free certificate, developer meet or something. If you attend that, just they will open some course for you, and you can go ahead and you can learn everything, and you can easily get a free certification. So that is the most. I mean, as I told, like most of the companies or most of the projects are using only cloud computing solutions. This is going to really helpful for your career. So the next one is prototypes or sample. You guys know GitHub. GitHub is recently acquired by Microsoft, but still Git is free. So you can write your own solution. So let us say how you can GitHub. Parallelly, you can do software for your university itself. So let us think. Maybe I give a couple of use cases. Maybe that IT solution is already available or not. So let us think. I have some app to track people attendance. So I'll have a thumb impression out of any class. So just I'm going to put my thumb, and that is going to give the attendance results by end of the day. So I mean, similar way, like you will find like a lot of use cases in the department. So what you can outside the world, you can build some solution to your university for you, your career, as well as it is going to help to your university. And after that, certifications, as I already told, you can easily get a certificate in cloud computing. And also, like if you are learning some Java or something, right? You can certified with Oracle certification or some database related certifications. So why these certifications are important is whenever there is a competition, let us say myself, maybe one of you are applying for a job. I mean, apart from you, like there will be 200 people applying for the same job. So when it come to recruiters, right, like they spend like 1 or 2 minutes to look into your profile or resume. So at that time, like they will compare like what one C have versus others have. So just they will go with some keywords or some certifications, and they cannot invite 200 or 300 people to interview, right? 10%, some 30 people. So at that time, like the certifications are going to, yeah, try to plan for some certification, and that is after, so that is going to really help. So apart from computer science foundation, people need to have better soft skills. So I mean, most of us are from non-native. I mean, we are non-native English speakers, right? We are not. Our mother tongue is, or our native language is English. So I mean, the English is global language. So we need to at least. I won't say we need to be a English professor or something to be at a company. At least we should be able to communicate properly, and we'll try to uh, convince people like what we are trying to build, and we need to be able to. So these soft skills also, like when we are talking to a non-IT people, so it's not like you will be talking to only uh, engineers, or you will be talking to only some graduates from MBA schools or some top universities, but you will be talking to normal people or normal business users. So at that time, you need to be very careful, and you need to talk in a way how you are going to communicate, how technology works, as well as how you are going to collect the requirements from. So these skills, these things will comes with a lot of practice. So as I mentioned previously, if you have a group of friends, like a club or something at a university level, or if you have your own club, try to do it. If you are in the third year, try to practice on daily basis, and will. However, you guys always are looking Hollywood movies. Yeah, but better you practice it from now onwards. It will be really helpful. So the next one is going to be resume preparation. So once you got all the skills, so you need to build your resume. So most of the people try to copy the resume from Google. Uh, you can copy the template from Google, but it is not a good idea to copy the content from the Google. So I will tell you the difference. So let us say if I go to Google, and if I try to, uh, let us say I search it for sample resume for the software developer. Yeah, I will find some resume, and just I change my names. and I'll put my name and I copy paste it. So when you go to interview, right, like people can easily identify you. They can go through your resume. So let us say if I'm writing, I'm responsible for that. So if I'm the interviewer, like I'll randomly check some line and I'll ask like, hey, did you work on something? Okay. So those kind of things, like we need to be very careful. So better, uh, better spend some time on your resume. So resume, like you need to personalize it and you need to really take some time and you need to put what skills you have and what exactly you can do it to perform the job. And then LinkedIn profile. So most of us, at least even when I was in my bachelor's, I don't have any LinkedIn profile. I have Facebook profile. At the time, Orkut was famous. I had Orkut profile. I think nowadays, like the younger generations have Facebook profile, and I think Instagram, Snapchat, and uh, all the TikTok and what are the new apps. So those are from your for your social life, and the LinkedIn is like mostly for your professional life. So what you need to do, at least you need to properly write what you are looking for. Just like this is resume, so you need to write it properly what you are looking for, and you need to make a lot of connections. So just let us say if you start connecting to people, it is at a more professional level. So let us say myself, I'm on LinkedIn and one of you sent me request, I added, then you can add multiple people. And let us believe like there is an opportunity in my company. So I'll post it there. Like I'll say, hey, I have a this job, so and so job. If you guys have, it's for references. So let us say there is a job available in specific company. So recruiters will give more preferences to the people for. So let us think like in my company there are a couple of roles available. Okay, you are in my wants me, I found this job and can you refer me to that? So when I refer that, that will get more value than who are applying from outside. Okay, yeah, so better, you guys create a LinkedIn profile and try to build as much as as many as connections, so that is going to helpful on long run. So when you are, you can, there are a lot of groups or a lot of places where you can refer to this content. So you need to see how you can build your LinkedIn profile. And the next one is mock interviews. Like I believe like most of you